I'm super excited that Asante Hene has arrived in Barbados. It's historic. It's 400 years since the Brits came to Ghana, came to Barbados. But now the king has arrived, and it's going to be a beautiful journey.
The Asante Hene's participation adds royal significance to the three-day Global Barbados 2025 event, where leaders, investors, and cultural figures are gathering to strengthen Africa's shared deep ancestral bond that can now evolve into a powerful modern partnership.
All of these people together really celebrate this partnership between Barbados and Ghana.
Supported by Invest Barbados and the Barbados Tourism Marketing Inc., the Cuba Industries Chief Product Development Officer at the Barbados Tourism Marketing Inc., Marsha Aline, says hosting the awards is historic for Barbados.
Today, November 11th, is a significant day. We had the landing. What a wonderful day it is as we celebrate, all